guys, welcome to my first ever motovlog. What is going on today? Is he a veteran or what? I can't tell. Looks like it. Doesn't look British. A British uniform. British. But yeah, welcome to my first ever motovlog. I suck at talking to the camera. I'm still a bit ill, a bit nasally, as you can probably tell. Yeah, I figured I'd start talking to you guys. There's only so many POV rides I can do. Everyone's so angry. There's only so many POV rides I can do. A limited amount of places to go. It's a nice Mercedes. So many places I can go and record for you guys before it gets boring. I know some of you just like to watch and hear the bike. That was my initial idea, initial plan. I guess I can do both. Not really limited. Can do a series of me talking, a series of just POV rides with the audio. But yeah, I don't know how long the Hornet's going to be around for. I'm very tempted to switch it for a Tiger 800 XE. Get some off-roading, just go wherever the hell I want. Especially with the lucky bike, I wanted to get a YZ250, a CRF 250 or something. He wants to do some off-roading as well. I think we're just getting a bit bored of the road riding. Like I said before, there's only so many places you can go without doing big distance, especially around here, like London's the same, really, wherever you go. There's a few nice places we haven't been yet. But we do have plans in the works to go to Scotland and Wales, Jurassic Coast, just to get away from all of this. We do head south, out into the countryside, but we've done all them roads so many times. Yeah, we've done them roads so many times. So hopefully this summer's going to be a good one. It's El Nino again, which means it should be hot. Hopefully it's hot as last year, so we can go places. So he already wants to go do Auschwitz in Germany. The what were they called? Like the gas chambers and all that stuff. Apparently all the clothes are still there and stuff. So that'll be interesting. That'll be a good ride. Go through the Black Forest. There's one in France as well, the Black Forest. Someone told me about a nice road, I can't remember what it was called. But there's one in France that goes the whole way through. So we might have to hit that up as well. And we definitely want to hit the Alps. Alps is on the list. But right now it's trying to figure out if I want to switch to the Tiger or not. Because commuting on this Hornet is great. It's so narrow, I can fit through every gap, I can filter. It's fast enough, it's loud enough. But I'm also bored of the inline 4. The noise it makes. Like for me, riding's all about the noise, and the inline 4 is getting a bit boring. And that triple, the whistle on that triple is beautiful. But it's also the handlebar width. It's a bit It's a bit wide. So the commuter's going to take a hit. The fast cornering's going to take a hit. But then I get the ability to off-road, ride in a bit more comfort. I'll be higher up. Being 6'4" on this thing it's killing my neck because of the wind. Just constant wind, battering your face, pulling your neck all over the place. Can't do it. So yeah, I'm more than likely going to switch to the Tiger 800 in April, I think, is when it's going to happen. But I need to review this bike before I sell it. It is a nice bike. It is a really good bike. It surprised me in a few ways, like the speed, the handling. For a naked, it's actually quite amazing. I just don't know if it's because I'm 6'4", but the wind, my neck is going to be massive soon. But yeah, me and the Lucky Bike, we really want to go off-road. I used to have a RM 125, I think it was, a 250. Yeah, he said he misses it. He misses the off-road, the life of being on a crosser. I've done the smallest amount of off-roading. The first ever time I went off-roading, it was on I think it was a Husky 701. Probably not the best bike to start off-roading on. And I took a jump. Literally took a jump on my first time and nosedived. Came straight off. And then we had the CB600F where I took that off-road. Not the best bike off-road, I can tell you that much. Done the job on road tyres as well. Went down a small part of the TET, Trans-Euro Trail. It was okay. But having a bike with a bit more capability is what we need. Come on guys, get out of the road. But yeah, just being able to go off-road. And go wherever the hell we want is what we're after. But days like this where it's overcast, it seems to be getting a little bit wet. It would be nice to take the Tiger out, the CRF 250 out, go play in the mud, you know? No one nods anymore. It's heartbreaking. It's really heartbreaking. There's no camaraderie, is that the word? There's no brotherhood anymore. Everyone used to nod. It was before lockdown, everyone would just nod and let you know, oh god, there's police over there, you know, the old tap on the helmet. Slow down, there's police. But now, I don't know if it's because the pandemic of scooters happened and no one can be bothered to nod anymore or what, but no one nods. Other than this guy, apparently. Speaking of the devil. Yeah, you go out south towards Dorking, you know, Box Hill, the biker county of England. Everyone nods. Another nodder. I don't know what's going on. They're just ruining my whole story. Yeah. But no, you go out south, everyone nods. the looks you get if you don't nod is crazy. Yeah. But it makes you feel like you're a part of something, you know, like these bikes are nodding at you, they're acknowledging that you're on a bike, you know, you're both riders. I guess in London everyone's just always in a hurry, right? Like they're always in a rush, they want to get to work or get home, get where they're going. No one really rides through London for fun, do they? Let's be real. I do. Your lucky biker does. But a lot of these guys are just commuting or working. Another nodder. Okay, I take it back. Everyone's nodding today. Maybe because I normally ride in rush hour. And everyone is commuting. If this guy nods, I'm done. Oh, he did.